What's going on, y'all? Back here with another one. Today I just, you know what I'm saying, just got my hair cut, whatever. And then I went and got some catfish from my mom's job, you feel me? Catfish Friday. Got to get that, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting off my day pretty good today. Hopefully today's gonna be a banger for y'all. I don't really have that much planned. Well, kind of. We'll see. I'm gonna fix my bumper sag, wash my car, you know, detail it, all that. I'm gonna meet up with the homie Chase. We're gonna get some vinyl and get his banner for his car. So yeah, I have a pretty eventful day planned. I'll hit y'all up in a little bit. Let me show y'all what I got. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all what I got. We're gonna start slow. You know what I'm saying? We got the, y'all can't really see it in here. Oh, look at my jack and my my stocks. You feel me? My stocks. But you know what I'm saying? We got the Kool-Aid. Y'all can't really see it. You know what I'm saying? You can see it. It's red. Yeah, I'm telling you. That junk, like the Kool-Aid they be making, bro, bussin'. I don't know if y'all ready, man. I don't know if y'all ready. You feel me? We got the catfish with the corn and mac and cheese. You know what I'm saying? That's all I really wanted, you feel me? Something smooth, something light. And yes, I'm going to be putting ketchup on my catfish. A lot of people don't like ketchup on their catfish. They like hot sauce. I don't want no hot sauce. I don't like hot sauce. The taste of hot sauce is just nasty. I'm gonna go ahead and grub down and then I'll see y'all when I get in the car. Forgot to show y'all that sweet, delicious roll that I be, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm back in the car now. I'm finna head to that homie Greg's house. He's working on his car right now, so I'm gonna go over get some content. Then we might fix my bumper sag. Then I'll probably detail my car and stuff, but yeah, I'll hit y'all up whenever I get there. Alright, you know what I'm saying? We just made it to the homie Greg's, you know what I'm saying? He cracking a cold one. No, I'm playing. He drinking root beer, his ugly self. But you know what I'm saying? Greg, tell us what you did. I don't even know what you're doing.
So, I'll put some bottom, lower ball joints and upper ball joints.
Alright.
I'm almost done, so.
Yeah. He's putting everything back together right now, as you can see. We got the whole knuckle out, you feel me? He's doing that, and then you gotta pick up, what do you gotta pick up again?
Outer tie rods.
Huh?
Outer tie rods.
Oh, he gotta pick up his outer tie rods, and then gonna fix the bumper sag, and I don't know what else we're gonna get into. We taking a break, we taking the Altima. Yeah, Greg, let me hit it. Oh, okay. Bro, come on, bro, you stupid. Yo, we're taking the Altima, going to our favorite place in the world. Not really, but yeah, like he said, O'Reilly's. Why it smell like that in here, bro? Anyways, I'll see y'all when we get to O'Reilly's. So that was a fail. Dude said that he ordered the parts for Greg yesterday. They were supposed to come in today at 3, but he never ordered it. What you gotta say about that, Greg?
Another day without the car, man.
Right. I know he mad. I would be too, bro. He had to order them today again because they went and checked like 3 times in the back and it just wasn't there. So, you know, obviously the dude didn't really order it, or he just sent it to another store or something. So Greg got to wait till tomorrow. So he'll be in the daily again, the little Altima. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I just left Greg's house and I'm picking up casing right now. Cause me, him, and Chase are gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna get the vinyl for Chase's banner that we're gonna put on. But y'all already know, if y'all be watching my vlogs, y'all already know that man Casing be taking forever. Like, he takes forever to come outside. I give this man a heads up. Look, he just texted me. Hold up, I just finished. Look, see, y'all see this? Let me show y'all. Y'all see that? I just finished. This man, I gave him a heads up. Look, I gave him a heads up. Let's see what time I text him. Tell him I was on the way, right? I'm asking this man, do you want to come? Because you know you don't have to. 7:53. This is 10 minutes later. It's 8:03. It's 8:03 right now. It's 8:03. This man, Casey, man, I love him. You know what I'm saying? That's my homie. That's my business partner. But Lord Jesus. I text this man 7:53 because Greg lives right down the street from his house. I was like, hey, I'm finna leave, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't even leaving when I told him I'm finna leave. I was like, come on, get ready. He's like, I don't know if I'm go. He was like, I was like, bro, just come on. He was like, okay, I'm gonna go. Whoop-de-doo, whoop-de-doo. I pull up. Hold up, I gotta take a quiz. I'm like, bro, I literally sat here. I got here, and I literally topped off my oil and everything. Now I'm just chilling. I left Greg's house, got to Cason's house, topped off my oil, and I still have time to sit in the car. Kason, I know you're gonna watch this. Where you at, man? Where you at? I'm waiting. Look, I'm waiting. I'll hit y'all when this man Kason get in the car. And I'm gonna show y'all what time it is. I don't know if y'all can see it, but you know what I'm saying? The garage opened. That's a good sign, garage opened. There he goes. Look at him, he ugly. I'm lazy, but Kason is next level. What is he doing? Oh, he's closing the garage. I was about to say, look, we gonna wait for him to come in. Look, watch this, watch this, look. But get in the car, bro. Look, bro, I done told y'all. What time did I tell y'all? I texted him. 7:53. It is 8:07.
I was taking a certification test. You're lucky I passed. On first try.
But show them how you slept on that again, bro.
Huh?
Show them how you slept on that just now. You so fruit. Alright, we finna go to Walmart, bro, cause Lord. Between him and Chase, I don't know who's slower. Dang, bro, he got that. What? Shut up. We finna go into Wally World. Not the one I work at. Show me the workout regimen. Show me real quick.
I don't want to smoke with me, bro.
Show me, bro. Bro, you're ugly, bro. Show me the workout regimen.
It's like 250 right here. 300 maybe. I don't know. I ain't count, but like.
Mine is about a cool 100.
You ready for this?
It's gonna blow you back out. What is This man's stupid. I'll curl this with one arm.
Go ahead, do it. Go ahead. Where that one hand at? You see him? Okay. Football team? Football team?
You know what I'm saying? Any NFL teams watching this, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up on Instagram. What's up? Alright, it is the next day. We didn't get to put Chase's banner on because some stuff came up or whatever. So we didn't get to put Chase's banner on. He was supposed to come today, but he, you know, some other stuff came up. So he couldn't come today. I'm finna go wash my car right now. And then I'm gonna have a photo shoot with Marcus and Brian. So yeah, I had a photo shoot a couple weeks ago with Tyler and Brian, and Marcus was like, no man, you didn't let me shoot your car. So I mean, I'm gonna let him shoot it. So I'm saying, see what he got. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my car right now. It's really dirty, because as y'all know, I park under the tree and in gravel, so it gets dirty real fast. I'm trying to get me a car cover. I'll hit you up in a little bit. All right, we are here at the first spot. Marcus is shooting the car right now. Look at him. Big clean. Yeah, we had a car wash. But I'm telling y'all, if y'all got washes like this, wherever y'all stay, they're like the best places to get some shots up. The homies that work here, they let us in. So yeah, we out here chilling now. We're gonna head out and go somewhere else in our city to get some more shots up real quick. Hold on. That man focused, ain't it? That man focused. Yeah, this man Marcus, man pressed me. Look, this man came to my work. He pressed me, bro. He was like, oh, you don't want to do a shoot with me, blah, 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 blah. So we here now, you know what I'm saying? I let him shoot it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna turn down a, you know what I'm saying, a photo shoot for my car. All right, so I ended up forgetting to vlog, but I'm on the way home. I met up with some other homies right now. Just gonna cruise on the way home. Say it again.
You know you're a car guy when you have a wheel and tire in the back of your car.
Debeated. Ugly. Well, y'all can't really tell from this angle. Yeah, show me. Damn, look at that stretch, man. Goofy. Nah, yeah, I know last night I cut it off. after Caleb was shooting massive flames. But I'm here with Chase again. You know what I'm saying? Caleb, Sib.
Asked.
Bro, this man got me with my, I always be doing that, bro. This man got me with my joke, bro. Don't even, I'm mad, bro. I'm actually mad. You know what I'm saying? He got his, you know what I'm saying, banner made, you feel me? Big certified. You certified? You know what I'm saying? Big certified. You gonna get it tattooed? No, for real. This, like, if me and Cason's brand blow up, we're getting tattooed. Like, so serious.
Okay, listen. And you can come back to this video as reference until the day I die. If you make a YouTube channel and it gets 100,000 subscribers, I'll get Musianico tattooed on my ass.
If my YouTube hits 100,000.
If the Musianico, yeah, whatever. If you,
I'm
whatever,
switching it because, you know, I don't like my
I'll
name.
shake on it too.
Shake. Y'all heard it first. Y'all heard it first, bro.
Hey, hold on. It can't be big though. It's gonna be small.
I mean, I don't care.
It'll be on my ass though.
Okay, alright.
Just
Bet.
so you
That's
can
bet.
see it.
No, we shaking on it again. Video evidence, bro.
I just wanted to get it somewhere where he looks a lot. So
It's gonna, dude. So okay, look, it's gonna take me a while, obviously, because you know I gotta get better with posting a lot. But yeah, I mean, if it hit 100,000, he say he gonna get a tattoo on his cheeks, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna go to a gas station real quick or somewhere with light so we can put the banner on. But yeah, I'll hit you up in just a little bit. You gay. Yeah, the banner's already on. No, I'm playing. Look at this man cleaning his window. And he pumping that gas. That big gas, huh?
Yeah, man. 89 octane actually. Pretty nice.
Oh, for real?
High tech.
Let me show you. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Big clean fitment. You know what I'm saying? Clean.
Oh, you've been exposing me into.
You know what I'm saying? Look at that. You know what I'm saying? He tucking tired, you know? The front isn't that good, you know what I'm saying? It's straight. Hey, bro, don't be doing that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Clean car overall. Oh, hold on. Front fitment, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at the stocky, bro. Not the stocky.
Not the white stocky.
Hold on, bro.
My feet fucking dirty. Don't even. Ooh, I know where'd that come from?
You know what I'm saying? Look at this. That's, oh my gosh. Crazy. Bro, how long is it gonna take you to clean your windows?
Look, bro, I'm taking the time, loving on it. You know, I might give it a little bit of.
You did not just kiss it, bro.
No, of course not.
Did you really?
No,
bro. Alright, so we finally picked up the strong grip transfer paper. The regular one didn't work, so we got the strong grip transfer paper. We put it on and everything. Nah, you're a goofy, bro. You're goofy. You so ugly. Let me show y'all right now. Let me show y'all the banner. We got it on finally. You know what I'm saying? It got the little sparkles in it. I don't know if y'all can really tell. Y'all can't really tell from the video. I gotta get close. But it got little sparkles in it. You know what I'm saying? Muji Hinako on the focus. You know what I'm saying?
Show him my new fitment up there, dude.
I did, you remember?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna expose you twice. You know what I'm saying? So, the fitment on this side, he got the stockies. And man, goofy. But yeah, this is probably gonna be like close to the end of the video because this video has been going on for days and days and days. It's not gonna seem like it. This video has been in the making almost for a week because I started with Greg last Friday.
Damn, it's been that long?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I started with Greg last Friday and it's currently Wednesday, so and I don't know when I'm gonna post this. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna get some Sonic because his fat soul said he wants some cheese sticks.
Hey, bro.
I'll hit y'all when we get to Sonic, you know what I'm saying? So I'll see y'all in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We got all the flashlights out here, you feel me? Because it's dark. This man trying to call me black, bro. Y'all come cancel him, bro. Y'all come cancel him. But yeah, we got the, you know what I'm saying? We got the flashlight here. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end it off tonight right here, you know what I'm saying? We decided not to go to Sonic because Gatlinburg is coming up in, dude, it's like 2.5 weekends now.
I know, bro.
Like it's coming up fast, so you know what I'm saying? We're trying to save every little penny. Literally, he over here playing with change. We trying to save every little penny. I'm gonna end off right here, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all had a good one. Hope this was a good video for y'all. You got anything to say? Alright. I'll just see y'all in the next one.
Follow TikTok.
Bro, yes, bro. Follow my TikTok. My TikTok been going up. You know what I'm saying?
I'm in my TikTok. Not yours. Your shit sucks.
Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later.